여러분, 여러분. This is used to say everyone in Korean. Again, the word 여러분 means everyone. Next word is 한국어. Again, it's 한국어. And this is the term for the Korean language itself. Again, 한국어 means Korean language. Next word is 영어. Again, it's 영어. And this pertains to the English language. Again, 영어 means English language. Next word is 이거. Again, it's 이거. And this is used to say this in Korean. Again, 이거 means this. Next word is 저거. Again, it's 저거. And this is used to say that in Korean. Again, 저거 means that. Next word is 피곤해. Again, it's 피곤해. And this is used to say tired in Korean. Again, 피곤해 is used to say tired in Korean. Next word is 왔어요. Again, it's 왔어요. And it literally means came, or the past tense of come. Again, 왔어요 means came. Next word is 태풍. Again, it's 태풍. And this is the Korean noun for typhoon. Again, 태풍 means typhoon. Next word is 봄. Again, 봄. This is a noun which means spring season. Again, 봄 means spring season. Next word is 목소리. Again, it's 목소리. This is a noun which means voice. Again, 목소리 means voice.